Don't mind me, I play a lot. But yeah, it's so good to have you guys back here again. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Victoria Anzelibe. This video I'm making now, I'm doing it so that I can kind of introduce other things I'm talking about, because all those things are going to be under my playlist Boss Up. So if you don't know Boss Up, or if you're not subscribed to my channel, or you haven't watched the playlist Boss Up, then you need to go do that empowering video about cash, how to start your businesses, things like that, something to motivate you, to inspire you to start making that cool cash. I've been making videos a lot so that by the time I edit and upload it on YouTube, and in fact in 7 to 5 weeks, in 5 to 7 weeks rather, you have consistent videos every week. One of my videos that I'll be posting up next, right after this video, because like I said, this video is an introduction. That video, I made some cool amount of cash out of my hobbies. So if you remember, if you watched my first video this year 2022, I spoke about being more personal with you and showing you guys the things I love to do and things like that. You know, go watch that video. I'm going to leave it up here. So before I go into this video, I want to just give you some seconds to brainstorm. So the question I'm going to ask you is, what are your hobbies and how many of them do you think you can sell to make money from? For instance, I have a ton of hobby. I love to sing, I love to write poems, I love to cook, I love to edit videos, I love to vlog, I love to, decorate. I love to do a tons of things, but how many from this list of hobbies can I make money from? Let's pick out singing, for instance. Is singing really something I want to pursue? Is it something I think I can make money from? Is it valuable to other people? The answer to that question is maybe not, because my voice doesn't pass. I think I'll leave my singing to my bathroom, okay? So questions like that is very, very interesting. And throughout this video, I want you to take a pen and paper, because you'll be getting some interesting points that you can apply to your life and use later. So the first thing I want to speak about on this topic, on making cool cash, is having a relevant hobby. Every hobby is your hobby. Nobody can tell you what your hobby is. You choose what your hobby is. But again, it's also good to have a very valuable hobby. Hobbies are not just something you are born with. It is also something you grow into. I mean, some people are born with the talent to sing and to do a whole lot of things. But people also grow into photography. They learn it and then it becomes a hobby. They love to take pictures. People grow into vlogging. For instance, I started my YouTube 2 years ago now. It's a hobby for me. I love to vlog. Wherever I find myself in a very beautiful or unusual place, I love to vlog. I want to share it with my viewers. I want to share it with my family. Another thing I like to do is editing YouTube videos, and it's something I learned to do. And right now, I've had so many encounters with people whereby I've been asked to edit to make money out of it, but it's not something I think I want to pursue. Eventually, maybe start a business while I manage it, have people work for me, but at this point, it's not something I want to pursue, because again, even my YouTube channel, I have so many videos I have to edit so that I can upload. But it's not just easy editing videos, because I do this myself. I rather edit my videos myself, because I know what I'm saying. I know the times I want to zoom in like this, and I know the times I want to zoom out like this. So people come to my house a lot, and whenever they come to my house, they look at the decoration in my house and they ask questions like, who did this for you? Wow, which interior decor did you work with? I love this. This is classy. This is that. This is that. And then I hate to break the news to them, but I did it myself. I didn't work with no interior decor. The money is in my pocket. I did everything myself, because I just love to put 2 and 2 together, Recently, a friend of mine got me a gig. She asked me to decorate somebody's full house. I know, right? I am so excited too. So I decorated somebody's full house and I earned hundreds of dollars from it. Yes, I'm going to make a video telling you guys about my business and showing you everything I do, because this business got me somewhere. So I started my business, and the first month I wanted somebody to do my website for me, and this person wasn't doing what I liked. So you know what, I went on the internet and I googled how to build a website. And guys, today I am being paid to literally build somebody's website. How incredible. No education is a waste. Okay, when they say that, you better believe it. No education is a waste. I simply learned which day. Today I'm being paid to create a website for somebody. Somebody asked me to make thumbnails, like YouTube thumbnails and YouTube intros and outros for them, and the person actually said they were going to pay me, and I said to them, don't worry, I'll do it for you. It's because it's something I love to do. Does not mean you should start texting me now to say do outro for me. I will charge you. Like I said, invest in your hobbies. Let's get serious. Now that you've written down what your hobbies are, and you've cancelled or ticked those ones you can pursue as a business, those ones that will not be so stressful for you, and that you can make enough cash for it. Like for instance, singing. You cannot make a lot of money from singing until you are out there, you are known. That's when you start making way too much money from singing, or you are signed to a record label. So you can't make a lot of money from singing, and you need sometimes connection. You need somebody to take you there. But building websites, you don't need no connection. You just need to, which is where I'm going to now. Number 2, put yourself out there. So when you've realized these hobbies that are valuable to you and valuable to others, that you think you can make cool cash from, then put yourself out there. If you go on apps like Fiverr, Freelancer, you see a lot of people ready to do work for people, like editing work, software building, software applications. There are a lot of people ready to do all those things. But do you know that if you take out 1 hour of your time a day to go to internet, maybe YouTube has everything, the internet has everything, and learn those things for yourself, you can actually start making money from those things instead of paying somebody to do it. I had to tell my friends about these hobbies of mine. Hey, I do this and I earn cash for it. So if you know anyone, just put me out there. So do not limit yourself, is what I'm saying. When you're putting yourself out there, marketing yourself to other people, you see how you market those big companies. That's how you should be marketing yourself, because you are valuable, you are needed. So when you're putting yourself out there, do not belittle yourself. Tell them you're good at this, I'm good at this, I'm going to transform your home. Like for instance, when I was selling myself to the person I was decorating his house, to convince him to be able to spend that money and pay me the amount I desire. I had to convince him. I had to sell myself. I had to tell him things like, when I finish your home, you will not even believe this is your home again. The final thing I want to speak on today is saving. Yes, you've realized that business you can do, you know that hobbies you can earn from, and after you earn from it, how do you keep your cash? Are you going to spend it at once? Because let me tell you, money goes easily. The way money comes is the way it goes. So if you did not save, then that money is gone. I saved passively. One way to save passively is I use Accounts. Okay, so Accounts is a software application that helps you passively save. So what I did was set it to auto debit or auto payment, whereby from my account it takes $5 a week or $5 a day or $20 a week or $20 a day, however you want to save. But Accounts is a good one, and this savings is not like tomorrow you take the money. It's more like a retirement plan. You know that you're saving for the next 5 years. Imagine saving $5 every day for 5 years. What do you think you can do with that huge amount of money if you bring it out in 5 years? Exactly my point. But if you don't save this $5 every day, or even $1 a day or $2 a day, you find out that you use that money, you spend it on unnecessary stuff, or you even lose it, or you misplace it somewhere in your laundry, you leave it in your pants and you wash your clothes, and that's how that money tears. So I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this short video of mine. This is a quick video for me to edit, so I decided, why not do this video, kind of introduce the video coming next, which is a video of my interior decor or a video of my DIY. Put yourself out there. Be ready to learn, be ready to listen. No education is a waste, like I said. Starting YouTube led me into editing. Now I edit like Oh no, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. I'm so blessed and thankful. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel and turn that hobby into a business. Bye.